Alright, this is kind of hard to do because my tripod just doesn't tighten down enough to keep the camera going in one angle. Good afternoon, folks. My name's Wayne and welcome to my channel, Wayne's World Tour. Today's video is a bike ride that my wife Karen and I took through Sevilla, Spain on March 10th. We were on a 2-week trip through Spain that we've been planning for the past year, and our trip ended in Sevilla. And as our trip was coming to an end, all of the breakouts of the coronavirus in Europe were starting to happen. In fact, Madrid closed their schools on March 9th. We were in Sevilla. Italy locked down on March 9th. So this video is March 10th, the next day. And what it shows you in this video, it's a beautiful city, but it shows you that people are going about their lives like there is no virus. And I am certain the virus was all around us while we were there. We were really careful. We wiped down our hands. We wiped down everything. We had hand sanitizer and wipes. So we were very careful. And fortunately, we came away unscathed, we think. No symptoms anyway. But this video shows you how people just were going about their lives as if nothing was going on. And we were surrounded by this virus. Anyway, it's a beautiful city. I hope you enjoy our bike tour of Sevilla. All right, good morning, sports fans. Where do we find ourselves today? Well, we are in Sevilla. We've been here, this is our second day in Sevilla. We did a little touring around yesterday, but today we are going to rent bicycles from See by Bike. And we've got them for about 6 hours, and we're gonna go through Sevilla, see some of the sights, go have some lunch, maybe have some sherry, do whatever, and we're ready to fly. Yeah. All right. Look at the size of this thing. Oh! Not yet. I want to take a spin. I've got my GoPro going. Flamenco dancing going on in there. Oh, this mosaic tile, blue and gold. All right, so this is the Plaza de Espana. It's one of the places that they recommend you come see while you're in Sevilla. Plaza de Espana is in the Park Maria Luisa in Sevilla, Spain. It was built in 1928, and it is for the Ibero-American Exposition of 1929. It's a landmark example of the regionalism architecture, mixing elements of Baroque revival, Renaissance revival, and Moorish revival. So we're going to take a stroll around. No. I hear flamenco music.
Sevilla. Gracias por su colaboración. Los que pueden colaborar tenemos a disposición.
Guys hard at work. Alright, this is kind of hard to do because my tripod just doesn't tighten down enough to keep the camera going in one angle. Oh shit. This is quite a nice city. Really nice. Whole different feel than Granada. All right, we are now at the Plaza de Macarena. It's one of the old sections of Sevilla, and this is one of the largest remaining walls that used to encircle the original city. There's also a golden arch right up here. This is a gateway into the city. I'll get a little closer look at that. All right, this is the Basilica de Macarena, and then this is the entrance, the gateway to the old city with the walls surrounding it. So pretty cool structures. Not a lot of people get up here. In there. You want to check it out? So this goes to a set of stairs that go down to the bike path. I think they should all be women's bikes. So much easier to get on and off.